Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Binance Cashback Voucher. First, you will need to find your voucher. Navigate to the Rewards Hub within your Binance account to see all available vouchers. It is important to note that these vouchers usually have an expiration date, often around 7 days, so make sure to check the validity period. Also, confirm your account is fully verified to ensure a smooth redemption process. Binance offers various types of cashback vouchers. Some might reduce your trading fees by a certain percentage or fixed amount, while others could deposit a specific cryptocurrency directly into your spot wallet. Always check the voucher details carefully. It will clearly state its value, for example, 5 USD, and which products or services it can be used for. Be aware that some vouchers might have activation conditions, such as a minimum trade amount. When you need a faster charge, Level 2 is your go-to option. This method uses a 240-volt dedicated charging station, significantly reducing your waiting time. You can expect your Audi A3 e-tron to reach a full charge in about 2 hours and 15 minutes. Many public locations and home charging setups provide this efficient and speedy power delivery. To make the most of your Binance cashback vouchers, remember a few key points. Always prioritize using them before their expiration date, as expired vouchers cannot be recovered. Take a moment to read the specific terms and conditions for each voucher, as they can vary. Finally, these vouchers are typically non-transferable and are meant for the account they were issued to, ensuring a fair and secure reward system for all users.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.